Welcome back, everyone. Starting today, I'll be sharing a new series of videos covering the most common mistakes made during driving tests, helping you learn from real situations and improve your chances of passing first time. An additional traffic light for a left turn is typically a green filter arrow. This signal allows drivers to turn left, potentially while straight traffic is held at a red light. It often appears as a separate signal head, known as a filter light, giving priority to left-turning traffic. Filter traffic light. Function. A green arrow pointing left means you can proceed in that direction, even if the main traffic light is still red. A green arrow may be provided in addition to the full green signal if movement in a certain direction is allowed before or after the full green phase. If the way is clear, you may go but only in the direction shown by the arrow. You may do this whatever other lights may be showing. If the filter light is off, you must follow the main traffic lights. During the left turn, the learner driver lost control of the vehicle due to excessive speed, resulting in oversteering and nearly colliding with a parked car. Oversteering and feeling a loose or slippery sensation while turning left often happens because the car's weight shifts unexpectedly, causing the rear tires to lose traction, or because the steering input is too sharp. Keep clear markings and signs are used to ensure access, safety, and clear routes, particularly for emergency exits, driveways, and school entrances, with white markings used for general access and yellow for example, school restrictions. What we can see here is that the back part of the car is still on the keep clear sign, and the front part of the car, side too far away from traffic light line. On a dual carriageway, you must keep in the left-hand lane unless you are overtaking, turning right, or complying with signs markings. According to the Highway Code Rule 264, you should return to the left lane when it is safe to do so after passing, as the right lane is for overtaking, not cruising. Key rules for dual carriageways. Keep left. Always use the left lane when the road is clear. Overtaking. Use the right-hand lane to overtake, then return to the left. Driving on a dual carriageway with little to no experience can be intimidating, especially for new drivers and those unfamiliar with the various rules and regulations surrounding them. High speeds, multiple lanes, and fast-moving traffic can make even the most confident drivers nervous when first approached. However, dual carriageways are designed to handle large volumes of traffic efficiently and safely, and with the right knowledge, navigating them is a straightforward process. Let's explore the essential rules, regulations, and general tips for driving on dual carriageways in the UK. Whether you're a new driver looking to build your confidence or an experienced driver seeking a refresher, this guide will help you feel more secure when driving on dual carriageway roads. Driving on a dual carriageway in the UK involves following some essential rules set out in the Highway Code to ensure safety and efficient traffic flow. These rules are straightforward, but they must be adhered to at all times. Keep left unless overtaking. Always drive in the left lane unless you're overtaking. Return to the left lane once overtaking is complete. Overtake on the right. Overtake only on the right-hand side, unless traffic is slow-moving and lanes on the left are moving faster. Maintain safe distances. Keep a 2-second gap between you and the vehicle ahead. doubling it in poor weather conditions. Stick to the speed limit. No stopping. Stopping on the carriageway is illegal, except in emergencies. Use hazard lights if you must stop due to a breakdown.